Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Huawei Y6, specifically the 2019 version.
And you need to do a factory reset on it and you do not have the pin, so you're locked out of it. This factory reset will actually erase that pin, but it will also erase everything else on the phone, like your contacts, your photos, etc. And it will be like it was when it came out of the box. If you're ready to do that, it's real easy. We're just going to start by pressing the volume up and the power button, and making sure the phone is off first. Then hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously, and just hold them until it vibrates and the logo appears on the screen, which will take you maybe about 10 seconds or so. Once that happens, you can let go of the buttons, and it will start up in this sort of recovery mode type screen, where from there you will have the option to do the reset. Just let it load up here, and then we'll be able to see. So there it is. So it's gone up. So we have this. We can restart it. Clear data. So we want to use the volume button to scroll down to clear data, and then hit the power button to confirm it. And then we're going to use the volume button again to scroll up to factory reset. Hit the power button, and then we're going to scroll up. We actually have to, in order to avoid any problems, you actually have to type the word yes in it, that you're confirming that you want to do this factory reset. Hit the power button to confirm, and it will do the factory reset. Now it's going to go through its factory reset. Once we do that, we can select to reboot it, and it will turn on like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.